I'm tired of guessing if my coffee will burn me or if it's already cold. Hydrex shows the exact temperature with one tap. Plus, 12 hours hot, 24 hours cold. The perfect sip every time, and it goes everywhere with me.
Editing ads taking forever? Generate them in minutes. Upload a pick a model like Sura 2 Pro, and let AI do the rest. Talking avatars, B-roll, unboxing, you're all in one ad studio. Boost your sales today. Try Nextify.ai now.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day. If you're looking for an easier way to create professional advertising videos without expensive equipment, actors, or complicated editing software, then today's video is definitely for you. Today, we're going to explore Nextify.ai, an AI-powered platform that helps you create stunning promotional videos, AI UGC ads, product demonstrations, AI avatars, voiceovers, and much more, all within minutes. Let's dive in and see whether Nextify.ai is worth your time. Creating high-quality video advertisements usually requires a lot of time, money, and creative effort. You need a script, actors, cameras, editing software, voiceover artists, and sometimes even a production studio. But what if AI could handle almost everything? The first thing you'll notice after opening Nextify.ai is its clean and modern interface. Everything is organized into different AI tools, making it easy for beginners to understand without spending hours learning complicated software. Instead of using multiple applications for scripting, voice generation, video editing, and visual creation, Nextify.ai combines everything into one platform, making the entire workflow faster and much more efficient. One of the biggest highlights is the AI ad video generator. Simply upload a product image, describe what you want, and the AI automatically creates a complete promotional video. It doesn't just animate your image. The AI also writes marketing scripts, generates promotional copy, creates cinematic scenes, and produces ready-to-publish advertisements optimized for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. This can save hours of manual editing. User-generated content has become one of the most effective forms of online advertising. However, hiring real creators can be expensive and time-consuming. Nextify.ai solves this by offering AI-generated UGC videos. The platform includes a large collection of realistic AI presenters capable of speaking naturally with synchronized lip movements. Simply enter your script, choose an avatar, select a scene, and let the AI generate a professional talking head video. This feature is especially useful for product promotions, app demonstrations, testimonials, and educational content. Another impressive feature is AI product demo generation. Upload a single product photo, and Nextify.ai creates realistic videos showing people holding, using, or demonstrating the product. Instead of arranging expensive photo shoots, you can create attractive marketing videos entirely with AI. For online stores and Amazon sellers, this could significantly reduce production costs. Professional advertisements often include cinematic B-roll footage. Normally, capturing these shots require cameras, lighting equipment, and experienced videographers. Nextify.ai generates these shots automatically. The AI can create close-up views, rotating product animations, lifestyle scenes, and smooth camera movements that make your products appear much more premium. These clips work perfectly as supporting footage for advertisements and product reviews. If you're promoting physical products, you'll appreciate the AI unboxing feature. It creates realistic unboxing experiences without recording any actual video. For software developers and mobile app creators, the platform also includes app showcase generation. This makes it easy to create promotional videos demonstrating app features with professional pacing and clear visual presentation. One of the strongest features of Nextify.ai is its AI Avatar Studio. The platform offers a large library of realistic AI presenters covering different ages, appearances, and styles. If those aren't enough, you can even create your own custom AI avatar. Voice generation is equally impressive. Nextify.ai supports hundreds of AI voices across multiple languages. You can even clone your own voice to maintain a consistent brand identity across all of your videos. This is particularly valuable for YouTubers, businesses, and digital marketers producing multilingual content. Creating advertisements from scratch can be overwhelming. Fortunately, Nextify.ai provides numerous advertising templates that simplify the creative process. The AI automatically generates marketing copy, optimizes scripts, and suggests layouts based on your product information. Even users with no design experience can produce professional-looking advertisements within minutes. During testing, the platform generated videos surprisingly quickly. The rendering speed depends on the complexity of the project, but overall performance felt smooth and responsive. The generated visuals looked realistic, lighting was convincing, camera movements were fluid, and lip synchronization performed very well. Like any AI platform, the final quality depends on the prompts and images you provide, so spending a little extra time on your input can produce even better results.
Nextify.ai is perfect for e-commerce sellers, Shopify store owners, Amazon product marketers, social media managers, digital marketing agencies, affiliate marketers, small business owners, content creators, YouTubers. If you create promotional content regularly, this platform can dramatically speed up your production workflow. Nextify.ai offers a free plan so new users can explore the platform before upgrading to a premium subscription. The paid plans unlock additional credits, higher generation limits, more AI voices, advanced AI models, and watermark-free exports. For businesses producing advertising content on a regular basis, the premium plans could provide excellent value by reducing both production time and overall costs.
Here are some of the biggest advantages: easy-to-use interface, fast AI video generation, realistic AI avatars, excellent lip synchronization, AI-generated product demonstrations, marketing script generation, voice cloning support, multiple language support, professional quality video output. There are a few things to keep in mind. The quality of the generated videos depends on the prompts and source materials you provide. Some creative ideas may require multiple attempts before achieving the desired result. Additionally, users creating videos at a high volume will likely benefit from one of the premium subscription plans. Overall, Nextify.ai is an impressive all-in-one AI advertising platform that brings together script writing, AI avatars, voice generation, product demonstrations, and professional video creation into a single workflow. Instead of spending days creating advertisements, you can produce high-quality marketing videos in just a few minutes. Whether you're promoting physical products, digital services, mobile apps, online courses, or your own brand, Nextify.ai provides a fast, efficient, and beginner-friendly solution for creating engaging, AI-powered advertisements.
Editing ads taking forever? Generate them in minutes. Upload a pick a model like Sura 2 Pro, and let AI do the rest. Talking avatars, B-roll, unboxing, your all-in-one ad studio. Boost your sales today. Try Nextify.ai now.
If you're interested in trying Nextify.ai for yourself, be sure to click the link in the description below to explore all of its features and get started. And if you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest AI tools, software reviews, and tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.